dapat lang kayo sa, especially with your principal. Get loud, pray. Okay? Otherwise, it's another on-deliver. So, my new greetings. Better afternoon, everyone! I hope it's really better, no? Well, better afternoon, people say. Okay, I hope it will really be better. Better afternoon, DJs! DJs! Where are you? Shy, ito lang di pagtutungan. Para i-district ka lang sila. Tupungan po! Tupungan pa kayo sila. Mga survival sa Amerika. Diba ha? So, sobra lahat ko, pasalan para sa tuwan, para sa tuwan. Ha? Natin, tuwan para mula yung hindi, at ngayon, imposible, meeting. Magandang ano niya region. And on the big ladies, the iwan with the magic picture. Bila mga teacher, unique kayo sila. Pero dito yung kababayan na ako sa tuwan, yung gatyo. Also, the communication of Dr. Baha listed the requesting permission. Actually, you don't need to request. They need to inform the office. As long as the time of task will not be covered. Okay? So, at saka first 3 months, okay lang. Kaya that is one good thing to start a new life. To get in touch with their teachers in the respective district for commonality of thinking, commonality of feelings, diba? Commonality of action. Para ngayon, considering that it's the first meeting of the reorganized districts. That's why I was saying I cannot afford not to come because this is your maiden meeting without the other schools that you need to have and with the new school. Actually, balik ketuan sila. No? Because in the past, according to Dr. David, before she came in here, so that was 35 more years ago, Santa Catalina Elementary School was used to be under Ketuan district. So I am just returning them back. Just the same with Rio Hondo, Maliki, and Santa Barbara were with Zamboanga Central District before. So ngayon, balik sila doon. So I want to correct the front is that 5 districts na lang sa kabila because the 2 districts, Santa Maria and Zamboanga Central, were merged and 1 district. And we'll have Zamboanga Central as their district, the name of their district. Okay? So as far as what is the central, or which of them is the central school, we are still studying their performance for the past 10 years. Whichever of the 3 schools are or is the number 1 in the ranking will be classified as the central school. Okay? Kasi 3 central school na sila. Santa Barbara, Zamboanga East, Zamboanga West, Central School. And as we know, central schools are supposed to be the pilots the pilot in every district. Pag sinabi mong pilot, this is a demonstration school. This is a school where all regularity, correctness, and according to guidelines are being implemented. So if you want to see things happen, you go to the central school. Same as you with now, that was central school. So I hope you will understand that. So, kaya masakit isipin, tanggapin, kung pagdating sa the non-central school performance are better than the central school. Kaya that's the challenge. That's the challenge if you have the central school. Do not just be happy and contented, but do not have the performance that will best justify you as a central student. Yan ang challenge sa pagkakita mo sa central student. Okay? Thank you. Yun lang ang gusto kong emphasize. So, the challenge is greater when you are in a central school. So, Dr. Ron, I had a very busy schedule this morning. I started my day at 4 a.m. because I have to be in Sinolo entrance going to Santo Niño at 6 o'clock. But I was late. I arrived there 6:07. 6:07 because of the traffic. But anyway, what did I do there? The purpose of going there is to go with Kabayan Noli de Castro, young man of Patro, because he and his team went to Santo Niño Elementary School. Dito sa inyo nakapunta na ng Santo Niño Elementary School. Sinolo, Ayala District. Kaya pa yan na. Nakasay ko na? Nakasay ko na? Dadara, internet pa. Kaya nakasay ka na lang? Ito? Nakasay ko lang? Pagpado? Nadali lang na. Kuma? Substitute, Bartoman. Acorde a Bartolomeo Catusa. Ha? Aray ko na sinuli de Castro 24 Rivers. Nakita sa kanya yung aura. Kaya atin si Andre Wala, arriba service, agar ko sir kaya bahang. Yung aura, kami na yung from start to finish, and from there, kami pa. Para kami upang 1 hour and 15 minutes. Pero para sila, cost nila, para around 15 minutes nila. Kaya kami na kaya ng kulbe. Kaya kanisura na yan. And I have to pass by Division Training Center for the training of the Root Bank holders and the Boy Scout of the Philippines and the Boy Scout District Coordinator. So I pass by there and I also explain to them I have to behave with me. So the reason why I wanted to join Noli de Castro to be there because once in a lifetime opportunity to be with that group. Yesterday we were at Rio Hondo for the turnover of the knowledge channel and movement that we are given to Rio Hondo. And now we were there because meron silang palabas. Take note ha, June 23 sila labas after Vice Ganda. After Vice Ganda, ito sa documentary. The title of which is Gusto Ko Mag-Aral. So, ito they were picturing yung mga bata nakikita yung pag-ihilap, resultat para hanggang eskwela. But their target really was maliit. They were after the school in the along the shoreline. So, Magabadyaw, Tama, household, staying in the coastal area. But to my surprise, they included Santo Niño Elementary School because when they arrived, they were in prayers, informed them that last Brigada, the ABS and City Patrol of Zamboanga went to that area to do Brigada. So they were challenged. Last Wednesday, the advanced team went for their own documentation. At gusto rin na challenge din si Noli de Castro na yung so it was a very happy experience. I really thought I wanted to see how is it to walk with that distance and the feeling that touch along the road. So it was a good experience. I took some pictures. There were some boys going to carrying mga example naman para sa kanila. Mga bata na pasang na Rio. Kaya ito lang yung kanilang natin. The teachers, the walking, then I saw how they're staying there, where they're staying, and asking the students where they're coming from, so how is it to get an education for those kinds of people. And I hope that with that experience, I will be more, motivated that I challenge and going to Macumba, Cabo Negro, that is, ari pa pagkakala na naman. Kaya naging sa eskwela, Cabo Negro, Pinagre. Kasi ayaw yung komunikasyon, wala yung kanila. Hindi ko nilo na elektrika. Kaya at meron ng transfer para siwan. Okay, very good. Pero ako, ito siwan. Ito siwan ang tao. Ha? Nalog. Nalog. Hindi ako nila nalog. Hindi, nalog sa nalog. Okay. Hindi na ito lang kay personal ko Mr. Aquino. Ako may adalin kanila na prayer. Ako may adalin. Ako may mga ito. Okay. Lagi na problema. Kaya si Dudut, yan rin nakandala. Pero yung pwede, may tapos sila ng ombre. May budget at muher. Budget at ito di ba ilaala. No? So, pero si Farah, kung pwede kita may ilaala, ay kansapot. Hindi ko na nag-iwa. Ay, sister, para after yung ali mag-release ka natin. Hindi rin baile-baile sa sabi. Hindi baile-baile, sabi na dyan lahat, ya? Hindi naman si baile. Okay, so, I was really motivated. As we came back, back yan. Don't I texted, I did not pass by the office yet. This morning. Because I really wanted